What's up guys, it's Mark. Now sorry there was no video last week, I took a little holiday for the World Cup, and before we get started with this video I'd just like to say a massive shout out to the winner of the PC giveaway, and he's already got it all set up and I'm so happy that it went to a good home. Now onto the video. Today we're checking out two Corsair keyboards, the K70 and STRAFE RGB MK.2. Now what I love about these is a wide variety of switches available. My K70 I have here has Cherry MX Blues and the STRAFE MK.2 has Cherry silent switches, and Cherry silent switches are certainly that silent. But with these silent switches, the mechanical feel has gone. If you prefer a mechanical switch, you may want to stay well clear of these. And here's a pitiful excuse for a typing test comparing the two. Design wise, the new keyboards fall right in line with the K95 Platinum, but the keyboards do lack the seizure inducing light bar and macros found down the left side, although all the other features remain. Comparing the two, they're strikingly similar, to a point where I don't really understand why both of these models have even been released. The original STRAFE RGB seems to have lost its character on the MK.2, and the light bars do remain on each end of the keyboard, as well as the white plastic underneath the keys. They're just too hard to tell apart from each other. Both wrist rests are made from a soft plastic that's very hard wearing and sure to last you a very long time. The volume dial, multimedia, mute, Windows lock, brightness and profile switch keys are the best I've ever used on any keyboard regarding placement, feel and durability. Overall, both are extremely well made, and every Corsair keyboard I've ever used is built like a tank. The only improvement I'd like to see in the future is the cable. It's extremely thick and hard to cable manage. I also dislike how it sticks out directly out of the top of the keyboard, leaving the cable exposed. Anyway guys, that was an extremely quick and easy review for me to do today. The K70 and STRAFE MK.2 build slightly on an already solid set of foundations set by the previous editions. No doubt the lineup remains the best gaming keyboard out there for the money, for around 150 UK pounds and 150 US dollars. If you already own an earlier K70 or STRAFE model, there's clearly going to be no point in upgrading. For everyone else, this is the best version to date. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. It was a quick one today because there's not a lot of new stuff put into these keyboards. It's just a refresh really, but either way they are fantastic keyboards, and if you have the money, definitely check them out. Anyway guys, my name's Mark from SilencedTech with this unbelievably quick short review. Goodbye.